What is going on, guys? My name is John Stacks, and in today's upload I'll be showing you guys 4 cars that sold for $35,000 or less at the auction. And make sure you stay till the end because there's one bonus vehicle that none of you will expect. Now, if we could get 1,000 likes on today's video, I will be doing another giveaway of a model car. And don't forget to check my community tab tomorrow. I will be announcing the winner of that Bugatti giveaway, so hopefully it was you. With that out of the way, let's dive right in. So the first car on my list is a 2017 Corvette Zo6, and this car sold for only $33,000. It's practically new, less than 600 miles on the clock. It's a 2017. Excellent car. Now, taking a look at these pictures, you can see some very light damage. The frame rails appears to be in perfect condition. There was a tiny hairline crack, but that's nothing major. Other than that, there's just some missing fenders, missing headlights, and the missing bumper. Barely any damage. Excellent deal for $33,000. Now, if you're still not convinced, a new Zo6 with the 2LZ package retails for around $85,000 before options. So this one was $52,000 less than a new one. And even after repairs, the Goonzquad boys saved at least 50% over retail for this car. Excellent deal if you ask me. And if you haven't seen the rebuild of this car, I highly recommend it. Check out the Goonzquad channel. I'll provide a link down below. The second car on my list is a 2010 Nissan GTR, and this car sold for just shy of $30,000. And this is an excellent car. I actually went to my local Copart yard to check it out. I didn't know how much it would sell for, but it had a low bid, so I decided to check it out. And this GTR runs and drives perfectly. There's no engine knocking, there's no oil burning, nothing like that. Mechanically, this car is perfect. The only damage here is the driver's side door and driver's side rear quarter panel. And the suspension is perfect, the engine is perfect. And it comes with some bonuses. It has these carbon fiber fenders, a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk, aftermarket wheels, drag racing tires in the back. It has an aftermarket exhaust, some goodies under the hood, nothing too crazy. Now, as far as the sale price, $29,000 for a 8-year-old car with 60,000 miles. I still think that's a good deal considering the fact that a clean title example in perfect condition with similar mileage would sell for around $50,000 to $55,000. But this one does come with mods, and $25,000 savings plus some mods. Definitely a good deal in my book. As long as everything is mechanically perfect like this one, definitely worth getting this car. What do you guys think? Is $29,000 good for this car, or would you just spend an extra $25,000 for a clean title? Let me know down in the comments below. So the third car on my list is this 2007 Lamborghini Gallardo. Super exciting car, yellow, flashy, it's a Lamborghini. This one sold for just $30,250, and based on the pictures alone, it appears to be in perfect condition. The paint is matching on every panel. I don't see any scratches. All the gaps are good, the panel gaps. The only flaw I did find is the rear passenger side taillight is poorly fitted, and the exhaust tips are missing. Other than that, it's cosmetically perfect condition. Now, you might be wondering, why is it on Copart then? Well, I'm assuming that's because of mechanical damage. As you can see here, the engine doesn't start and the car doesn't run or drive. So that clearly means mechanical damage. Now, we don't know the extent of this mechanical damage. It could be something minor like a fuel pump, or it could be something severe like a seized motor. But regardless, this is definitely a risky buy. Now, the market for these damaged Lamborghinis isn't that big because very few people know how to work on them. The only person I know is Tavarish, and I think he would definitely pick this up for the low price of just $30,250. And the fact that it has no cosmetic damage, he would be able to do all this no problem. So this Jaguar FType S is the last car before my bonus vehicle, and this one's different from all the previous cars I showed you. This one is actually in perfect mechanical and cosmetic condition, and it says primary damage is rejected repair. So essentially what that means is the insurance company didn't want to total the car out, so they brought it to a shop or whatever, got it repaired, and based on the notes that they provide, it took longer than anticipated, and they just paid out the customer the entire value of the car. So this car is perfect, turnkey, ready to go. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Sold by insurance, so you know it's not some doctored up scam job. And it sold for $35,000, which is insane because this car is worth like $80,000. And it's already all set to go. You don't need to do anything other than enjoy driving it. So I just wanted to include this car as well. Now let's move on to that bonus vehicle I've been promising you guys. So here it is, guys, the bonus vehicle you've all been waiting for. It's a 2003 Carver Sedan 360. This is a yacht, and it sold for just $35,000. Now this one has absolutely no cosmetic damage, and it's just listed as mechanical damage. The engine doesn't start and it doesn't run or drive, but everything else is in perfect condition. Now this is a massive boat, and it's worth around $200,000. But of course this one has mechanical damage, so it might need like new motors or some electrical components. And I was looking around, these motors sell for around $8,500 each, and there's two. But regardless, the interior is in excellent condition, super roomy, and you could live in this thing. It's huge. But what do you guys think? Would you buy this massive yacht for just $35,000 even though it has mechanical damage? So that's the end of this video, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you for watching the video and staying till the end. And also a special thanks and shout out to autoauctions.io for providing their tools, letting me see the sale prices of each of these vehicles. Without them, this video wouldn't be possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next episode.